Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Roborock app settings for the Roborock Qrevo Master. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first up, we have all of our Roborock devices right here. The top one is the one we want to look at. So we can select the name to enter in to view all of the device settings here. Currently up at the top, we have all of our key indicators from our previous clean, as well as our current battery percentage and that it's charging. So we can see that right there at the top. Top right-hand corner, we have all of our settings here. We can view our cleaning history. So take a look at that. We'll go to our full clean here so you get a better feel for how that looks. Shows you obstacles and furniture and such on the maps, what it identified here. Got a shoe. Dirt map too, showing you the dirt levels. Area time, mop washes down at the bottom. So really detailed, clean view. Then we have our schedule, so we can set a schedule. If you want, add a schedule, choose when it starts, stops, how you want it to clean, what tasks do you want it to execute, which days of the week. All of that can be configured right there. Then we have our floor cleaning settings, so we can edit surfaces. Carpet cleaning settings, what do you want it to do when it encounters carpet? Avoid, ignore, cross, or lift the mop pads. Do you want to turn on carpet boost? Deep carpet cleaning, vacuum carpet first. You have a lot of options there. Then we have our flexi arm. So you can toggle that on or off when it's vacuuming if you want it to stick out the side brush, and the flexi arm mop. So toggle those on or off. Automatic remopping if you have a dirty area. Pet area deep cleaning, and then clean along a floor direction. You have that right there. So spend a minute in the floor cleaning settings. You'll want to look those over. Dock settings, we can control everything from drying and the frequency of emptying. Mop wash frequency by room or by time. How do you want it to wash the mop? Smart, light, balanced, or deep. Room temp, warm water, or hot water. Dustbin auto empty frequency, off, balanced, or high. Up to you. What empty mode do you want? Smart, light, balanced, or max? Basically, go to max if you have a really dirty home. Auto drying, you can set the duration anywhere between 2 and 4 hours. Self-cleaning for the cleaning tray. You can start that right there too. Then we have our reactive obstacle avoidance, so we can select that, toggle it on or off. If you wanted to select photos, it can do that. It's cool. Like earlier, I was vacuuming it. I had my shoe in the shot, or by the vacuum I was filming, and it took a picture of my foot and identified it with like an 87% confidence that it was a shoe. It was really cool to see. So I like having that feature, but you can opt into it. You have to opt in, right? So it's not going to be on or taking photos by default. Less collision mode. None, standard, or high, so choose which one you want. Pet snaps, same thing. AI environment recognition. Fill light, so you can toggle that to automatic or off. It does have an LED light to use to navigate. Maintenance, this is when it's time to replace things that are common items of needing replacement, I guess, like your filters, your side cleaning brushes, all of that. So it lets you know the wear and tear on those parts and components. Manage maps, so we can manage our maps here. So do you want to turn on or off map saving? Do you have multi-level or single-level housing? Choose which one you want. If you turn on multi-level, then you could add like your upstairs or downstairs. You get the idea. Smart recognition or manual selection to switch between the maps. Here's our current maps. We can edit those, restore, create a new one down at the bottom. Voice assistant, if you want to use the voice assistant on the master, you can. Just say the command. They have all the instructions there, the language, the volume, chat history for you. Remote viewing, this does have remote viewing, so there's live video monitoring. It can drive around the house, or you can drive it around the house, which is neat, so you can see in real time what's going on. You can use it more like a home surveillance and security device. We have AI laboratory settings here. So flexi arm design, extended cleaning for crevices. When in doubt, I'm always turning that stuff on. I want more of those features unlocked. Here's our robot settings. Do not disturb mode, button lights, child lock, off-peak charging if you want to save some money, depending on where you live. offline map, and then we can adjust our unit here. What do you want? Square meter or square foot? Pin and go, so we can drop a spot on the map and it will go there. Then we could do a spot clean and then send it home. Remote control, you can manually drive it with buttons or joystick and then spot clean, send it home. And then everything else is going to be straightforward for like troubleshooting and support, user manual, product info, firmware updates, device sharing, and then lastly, you can delete the device from your account. So that's a look at the device settings there. Back on this screen, you'll notice we got the map icon again on the right-hand side. We have our map details, 2D or 3D viewing. What do you want to see on or off of the map? You can choose what you want. And then we can edit the map, backup, restore, delete. We can do a quick map right there if you want. And then we can add things like no-go zones. So, do you want to add like an invisible wall, no-go zone, all of that, drag and drop as you see fit. We can edit our rooms, so merge, divide, or rename. We can add furniture. If for some reason you want to build out the map, you can add your own furniture. And then we can also edit the surface. Need to change the floor type? You can do that. And you can even change the direction. Carpet. You can add carpet. And thresholds. So take a look at this. You can identify those for it. Threshold or doorsteps or custom. You can add yours in. And then below that map icon is the live video monitoring, so you can get to it really quickly from there too. And then down at the bottom, we have multiple tabs here. Full room, zone, or routine cleaning. So you can set up a routine if you want. We can add multiple zones, I believe up to 5. Yep, 5 zones can be added. Pick and choose multiple rooms that you want it to clean, or conduct a full clean. We can customize that too on a room-by-room basis. You can build that out and edit those settings. Maybe your front door, your entryway, you want it to clean 2 times, you know, heavier clean versus somewhere else. You can do all that. Vacuum only, mop only, vacuum and mop, or smart plan. If you want to use Roborock Smart Plan with their AI, that'll take care of everything for you. Looking back here, I want to show you have different suction settings, water flow levels, cleaning options 1 or 2 times, standard or a fast cleaning option. If you select just mopping, you'll notice we have 4 different route options now. We can do a deep plus, or we can do a fast, or anywhere in between. In vacuuming, same thing. We now have multiple suction levels, a couple extra ones. We got the max plus, so we got 5 to choose from instead. And then 2 route options still. So just spend some time there, get the right setting that you want for your clean. Very easy to do. And then at the bottom right-hand side, we got the dock controls. We can empty it, wash it, or dry it. And then we can go to our dock settings here that we looked at already previously. You can get access to them right here without having to go into the complete settings in the top right-hand corner. So that's a look at the app settings for the Roborock app for your Roborock Qrevo Master. Thanks for watching.